Bitcoin played out our previous plan exactly as we planned. Also, Ethereum, we made good money. Let me break down how we took those trades and what was the reason behind them, and also what we should do the next. Remember previous idea that I shared with you 2 days ago or 3 days ago? I told you to take long on BTC in the case of range taking. And what had happened with BTC? BTC beautifully took this range low. I made this beautiful long trade on BTC. You can see that I made 760 from range low. I will show to you reasons why I took it, what was the confirmation. And the same with Ethereum. We also took beautiful long trade. You can see that I made 654. What was the reason why we took a trade? Before I tell you, I ask you push like. Go follow me on Telegram because every update about BTC I share there. Plus, sometimes I record updates on other platforms such as TradingView and many other stuff. And you will get those updates only in our public Telegram for free. That's why be there. First reason why we took long here, because trend on BTC were still bullish. Remember golden rule of trading: follow the trend until it breaks. Sometimes you think price moved too far, but still it's going. Follow the trend until it breaks. And trend up, price was in a range, and range low. Also, I saw significant volume absorption. Pay attention what was here. There was massive stop loss hunt, super negative delta. You can see minus 763 mil. Price only took range low. Statistically, such volume ends as absorption because you have tiny stop loss and often price go into opposite range low. That was our best confirmation. That's the reason why I gave a signal to our community. You can see here, and we made it was a signal here, and we made really awesome trades. And quite a lot of our community members also took beautiful long on Bitcoin. What we can do the next? Let's discuss it. First, about BTC, trend still up, but what's the main problem at this moment? BTC did quite significant rise without any pullback, and at any moment, price could create or a bigger range or some pullback. At this moment, BTC reached a point of control of this entire composite profile, which was here after Trump election. And it's often really powerful resistance. And if there would be some good confirmation, it's a good place to take short, even against a trend. Plus, price took all these highs, retested point of control. There are quite a lot of levels at low which could be tested. That's why for me, it would be no surprise if there would be some drop on BTC. That's why what's my plan at this moment? At this moment, honestly, I am looking for short setup because at this moment, what's going on? In the case of good absorption, I would not surprise for BTC to extend this range to make it bigger, as it did it many times before. And only after that make a breakthrough. Even this, for example, what they did. You think they broke a range? What they did after that, retested range low, and only after that went out. Like it's not the first, it's not the last time when BTC. You can see what they do. When BTC creates some trap and all of this stuff. That's why it's okay for BTC. That's why once more at this moment I wait for some good trap. And in the case of good trap, I will take a trade. What would be for me a good trap? If at this moment, pay attention to open interest. If there would be, for example, significant rise of open interest with super positive delta with no result, around 97K. If there would be, for example, open interest rise, delta rise, and price only will range, and after that would make structure change, for me it would be a signal of absorption and drop until significant liquidation. Because at this moment, what's the difficulty? Because at this moment, most of this open interest entered exactly here, and like it worked at this moment as a support. And in normal cases, price should drop below it, and only after that it would be a signal that it was a deviation, and in that case there would be some breakdown. That's why once more, At this moment, it is too late to take long trade because price is at range high. I saw so many times when even if a trend go on, uh, it's super easy that we could be in the same situation as it was, for example, here. Price took range high, range low, after that took range high, and only after the trend continue. It did many times. The same they did here. They took range high, they took range low, and only after that they continue some more. The same here. They took range high, took range low, and only after that continue. Not the first, not the last time. Like sooner or later, there would be stop loss handoff bias. That's why, once more, around 97, I'm looking for short setup. What is the key support for me at this moment? At this moment, key support for me, it is a value area high of this entire composite, 88,500. In the case of drop, anchored VWAP also would rise, and I think it would be value area high plus anchored VWAP at that moment. And the second key support for me, it is, of course, point of control of this entire range, 84. And the last one, of course, it is a spin low. It is around 76. That's why at one of this key level, I would be happy to take long. Let's go and let's break down what's going on with Ethereum. Before, my friends, I invite you to join our community because on daily basis I share clear plan signals where we can make money. Here's an example for you how our students took beautiful long on Ethereum, beautiful long also on Ethereum. My result, if you also would like to get such results, you definitely need to join us. Trades from our community members. What you do, it's so simple. Below this video, there would be this link, get access to private trading club. You open, fill this form, write your name, email, phone number, get access, and after that my team will connect with you and help you to join. Make sure you chose right phone number because only in that case they will connect to you. What about Ethereum? On a previous plan, I also gave a signal on Ethereum, where I shared with you that the best place to take long, of course, would be at range low. As always, at range low, best to take trade for continue. Like nothing special, as you can see. Ethereum took range low, and after that did beautiful rise. What at this moment? What could be the next right now? At this moment, honestly, on Ethereum, I would be so happy to see the same stuff as on BTC. I would be happy to see this range to become bigger. Because price at this moment, you can see it took range high and they failed to accelerate. And without proper squeezing up the rising volume, I don't see a reason to make breakthrough. From my point of view, at this moment, there's a bigger chance there would be also a stop loss hunt of the range. Another example for you on Ethereum. Ethereum did many times this stuff, even here, for example. You think Ethereum did break down, but Ethereum after that do test and take value area high of previous range. You think that Ethereum, like this one, how many times they try to break through? You think it is breakout, they test range low. You think it is a breakout, they test range low. You think it is breakout, they test range low. Not the first, not the last time. Will it happen this time? I would be so happy. That's a reason why at this moment, once more, for me at this moment, this key level, it is a key place where we can take short against the structure. It is only one place where I will try it. After that, key area for long would be this imbalance, because if price after deviation, when they take low, often they take it a little bit bigger to take stop losses of all of these people. That's why, once more, I would be happy to look for long around 1,700. That's why let's wait for good trades. Let's wait for it. Remember to join our community to get really awesome results and trading plans and signals on daily basis. Have a good time. Bye.